Come along with me. I'm going to show you the next phase of updates in our home remodel of our 1903 farmhouse. You'll see where we've gotten with the professional work along with the work that we've done ourselves, including this room right behind me. Also, I am launching a new pantry guide to show you how to stock your pantry for homemade goods, along with a few easy, simple recipes that fit with busy work nights. So be sure to check that out. It's in the comments, and drop me a line and let me know what you thought. Thanks so much. Now come along. All right, with the living room floor bare, you can get the full picture of what it looks like before, and it is going to get refinished, sanded, and stained professionally. Let's go check it out. The floor turned out amazing as it got sanded down, and we could not believe how gorgeous the wood was. The stain ended up being a custom blend we can hopefully recreate. Slowly but surely, we are getting there with the renovation. You can see that now this wall has been opened up significantly, and we have it functioning as a little eat-in kitchen flowing into a dining room and living space. We've got all of the wall panels up and slowly getting the trim up. Our doorway still needs trimmed out, and eventually here on the ceiling, we'll be switching out light fixtures and putting on decorative ceiling panels. So as you can see where the wood panels meet right here, you can see that seam, but over here, we've got some chair rail trim, and that will just cover all of that up. The top, there's this really cool decorative trim we put up. And I updated the look of the doorknob just using a little bit of rub and buff. And now you can see how pretty the floors have turned out. We've got up new curtains, new trim. Okay, here is our new hallway. The tile is down. It still needs grouted, but you can see it's kind of a smooth concrete look, kind of a off-white with some gray undertones. We've got first coats of paint up, although another still needs to happen. And here's what will be our guest bath. Same thing, the tile is down but still needs grouted. We've got a little wall unit heater and light switches. And then this wall will have the sink, new window. And then this is going to have just an insert shower. And then this is where the toilet will go. And that is the guest bathroom. And then here is the scullery underway sheetrocked. The initial Subfloor for the tile is laid down, and the tile will be laid down soon. Right here, you'll see there's a ductwork for a vent because we're gonna have a range, and then it has to have a vent for code. And then outlets. We were able to keep the original window. Well, I say original, it was updated in the last 5 to 10 years. But original to us, we didn't have to pay for a new window there since it already had a new one. And then washer and dryer and sink hookup will be right here. It's a bit of a catch-all right now. That is the scullery. So here you can see we've got new walls and ceiling painted with new sheetrock. And then here is the original shiplap. Over the next few weeks or months, we'll be taking off the little bit of paper that's on there, probably doing some sanding and then painting. We'll actually be getting a new door here as well, just to keep the new look consistent throughout that our bedroom will have. Okay, here is the entrance to our new ensuite. So here's the old door. The doorway was here, but it got widened a little bit. And there is our pasture in the back. And then this is going to be the entrance. So this will have a door. Underneath this carpet is the same hardwood as what's out in our living room. It's eventually going to get lifted up here in the coming months. And we'll also refinish it. This area is going to be a closet once it gets some painting. Same thing. You can see the hardwood that was here as well. We believe that this is fir, is what our flooring guy told us, and what's in the living room is actually ash. And so this will just be like a little storage area with some kind of storage options. And then we put in these gorgeous French doors with a great view to our backyard. This just gives us so much light. We're in love with all of the light that it brings into this space. And then straight ahead, where this junk is, will be a little makeup station for me. Right here is going to have a vanity, just a small single sink 30-inch vanity, and then there'll be one right across from it. So there'll be his and hers. And where all of these buckets are is going to be a bathtub. So you can see all of this is sheetrocked, plumbing and electric roughed in. This is going to be a toilet, just a little water closet. And then just another clothing closet. So now you can see what it looks like now that it's sheetrocked in. Same thing, it's going to get painted, and then we'll get some nice closet accessories. And then here is our shower. So right here's the bathtub hookup. So the bathtub will be right here. Then here you can see the shower. This right here is what the flooring tile will look like, and we'll have a glass door. And then this is the shower tile. So we're partly tiled. We'll have a dark grout. I just wanted a really classic, timeless look, so you don't look at it and go, oh, this was done in the early 2000s or in the 2020s. It's gonna have kind of an art deco, but a little bit of like a kind of a Parisian bistro vibe. And then we also opted to put tile on the ceiling because steam gets trapped in there and it ruins drywall. And it seemed silly to have drywall on the ceiling. And we've got this really lovely penny tile here. with our black and white subway tile. Well, I hope you loved our tour and loved how the house is turning out. I know we do. We're so excited to continue on into this next chapter and into the new year of 2026 as the rest of the trim work goes in, our fixtures, and the tile work finishes. So stay tuned for further updates. And again, be sure to check out my pantry guide. You can get it in the comments below.